How old are you?
I am 52 years old now.
52 years old. Are you married, Chandra?
Yeah. Yes.
So do you have kids? Children?
Two children, daughter and son.
How old are they?
Daughter 23 years old, son 20 years old.
20 years. Okay. Tell me something about your work experience.
Was experiencing, I was followed in technical college.
Work experience?
Experience of 7 years old. 7 years.
7 years experience as a quality controller.
3 years quality controller. 4 years documentation operator.
In Hamidia store.
No.
What are the products they do in this Hamidia store?
Jeans item, coat kit and trousers and blazer.
Blazers. Okay. So about the quality part, what are the quality inspections you are doing? The production cycle, fabric cycle.
After sewing, final checker.
Final checking, final inspection part, no?
Final
For the
checker.
final product.
Because I check and give.
You check the final product. Why do you plan to go to Romania?
I have first one in Sri Lankan economic is very bad now, not enough salary. Second one, my daughter also there, no. So I
In
think
Romania?
yeah, hotel.
Hotel.
Now she's very good, working, very happy. So I think I also go.
What is your daughter telling you? How is the experience?
Experience 6 months now.
Only 6 months. Is it good or she's happy or?
Happy, very good, happy.
Let's move to mathematical class. There's subtraction and addition part.
Twenty. 61.
60. Okay.
12. 10. 35.
Thank you, Chandra. Have you done